All right, everybody, it's the moment you've been waiting for. My lovely assistant, Scarlett, is gonna help me. Let's see how many gallons the new tank can hold. Ready?
Yes, I am.
All right, Scarlett, tell everybody how much it held.
13 gallons.
It's like exactly.
It's exactly. I mean, if you just look at how...
Took the sender out and she poured water in here, and at 13 gallons, it didn't quite leak, but if I push on this, or like, if you stick your hand in there, so 13 gallons.
You can touch the water even if you just like skim the
Yeah. So now we know, 13 gallons in the new tank. Thanks for your help. Yeah, you can.